welcome to a very special nighttime video of Miami Freedom Park, or now it's called the new stadium, the new sponsor. And this is what it looks like at nighttime. Check it out. We're gonna get a better view in a few. There's a parking structure right there, and we're gonna get closer to it in a bit so you guys can check it out. Going up Lejeune, and we're gonna go to the rental car center to check out the view. And it's a very busy night. It is like almost 11 p.m. and there's stuff going on. I don't see any construction going on at this time, but the lights are on and it looks spectacular. Trains going by. Train going by again. Let me see if we can get a little closer. Beautiful night. Nothing going on right now. And now we're starting a daytime part of this video. And they got the billboard right there in front of the stadium. And yeah, you guys can see now. We're driving through the outside of the stadium, and we're going to try to catch a little glimpse of what it looks like from the outside. We're going to pull up real quick, and you'll be able to see a little bit of the stadium right here. There we go. And there it is. Going to focus in for a little bit. And we're going to keep driving around, and so you guys can check out a little bit more of the stadium. Now we're going to check out a little bit more as we keep driving around. Well, we're not sure exactly what this structure is right here. It's pretty interesting, though. And you could see a little bit of the stadium there. But yeah, I thought it was a parking structure, but it's kind of small to be a parking structure. So I guess we're going to find out what it is. Maybe something with that obviously has to do with the stadium, probably for storage or something like that. And that's the parking structures. Later on, you're going to be able to see some renderings where you could see that on top of there, they're going to build some fields, but I'm not sure if that's still going to be part of the whole project. But yeah, that's where most of the parking is going to take place. I think there's going to be another building right next door, if I'm not mistaken, but we'll have to check out some of the renderings to see how it looks a little bit after this. So we'll see in a bit. And now we're back on top of the rental car center. We saw this last night when we did the nighttime view. This is the same exact view, but in the daytime. And it's a Saturday, so they are working big time right now. A lot of construction going on, and we're gonna check out some of that in just a bit. And here's a cool view of the stadium and the city building that's being constructed. It's going to be two different projects, two different building crews. So it's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's a Saturday and they are working big time. There's a lot of construction people. They're all over the place. And they need to hurry up because this stadium needs to open soon. And yet another angle, this time from, I'm looking from a highway right off of the construction itself. A different angle of, that's the parking structure that's ready to be used soon because they've done a lot of stuff. You see a lot of equipment all over the place. This project needs to be done quick, so we've got a little bit less than a month now to go. So this is the water treatment area. So yeah, this is and there's a Sheraton, so it's pretty busy. Now we're gonna focus in a little bit more on the stadium itself. It's a pretty cool angle we got going right here. A lot of equipment still being used. They've flattened out the road right here, right in front, as you can see. We're going to pan over to a different angle in a bit so you guys can see the distance that we have from the stadium to the construction of the city building. You get to see a plane going on. That's the city building right there. They got some cranes going. It's a pretty busy site, even though you can't see too much right now from this angle. And there's a plane going over. So I counted at least every minute or two there's a plane going up. So it's pretty busy over the stadium. Now we're walking by the city building, and this is some images of you guys can see. It's starting to take shape, but it's going to be a cool building. I'm not sure if the city hall is going to move over here or if it's just a building of for offices for the city itself. I imagine. I don't think though that they have the city hall is in Coconut Grove. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but this definitely is a lot bigger. See right here, you can see the stadium, the city building, and to the right there is another hotel. If you were focusing a little bit, you could see there's some you see some fields on top of the parking area. Not sure if that's exactly what's going to happen there, but that's what it looks like from what we see in front of us right here. So I guess we'll find out in another month or so. We'll see in a few. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends, and follow Football Miami TV on YouTube and all the social media. Hope you enjoyed the video.